Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you just a quick lunch that I usually make for myself. It's a healthy salad that I make, but still has good ingredients, has a lot of nutrition, but at the same time it still remains that healthy aspect, and I'm going to show you guys how to make your own salad dressing for that, which tastes great and has healthy ingredients with no chemicals. So let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you what I got. Okay, so here's what we got. We got a cucumber, everything's organic, so organic cucumber, organic red onion. I got 3 tomatoes, an avocado, and of course organic romaine lettuce, and I'm going to show you what we're doing with this afterwards, but basically everything's already washed, so let's go ahead and cut this up. So this is the way, I mean there's a million different ways that you can approach this, but basically I like to cut my head of romaine lettuce down the center, and then I basically just chop off in slices like so. And I also use like a big Tupperware like this. I'm going to show you why in a second. So basically I throw everything in here. And let's get the rest of this. So probably about 1 inch. I mean again, this is all personal preference, but I usually do 1 inch slices. Throw it all in here. So there's that part of it. Next I'll do my onion. Again, you guys can do this whatever way you prefer, but me personally, I like the bigger chunks of onion, so that's the way I'm gonna go with it. So get this cut. And there's no right or wrong way to do this really, it just comes down to how big you want your chunks of onion to be and how professional you want it, but that's okay with me, so we'll slide that in there. And the next thing is take your cucumber. This is the way I like to do it, pretty simple, easy, I don't know. Basically I just take it down the center, cut it like so. And then I just cut it in probably, I want to say 1/4 inch chunks or so, maybe a little bit bigger. And there we go for our cucumber. Tomato, I cut the ends off like so. And I basically just dice it this way into kind of a pie shape. And that works for me. So again, this doesn't take long at all, guys. It's very simple to put together, and it's fresh and it's healthy. And it's usually something that I do every single day. And I'm pretty picky on my tomatoes. I usually like to, a lot of people put their tomatoes in the fridge. I usually leave them out just so they can ripen. And then when I start to feel them ripe, as in they're getting a little bit soft, then I'll transfer them to the fridge just so they don't spoil. But that's usually my way of doing things. Same thing with the avocados. Usually leave them out until they start ripening a little bit, and then I'll transfer them to the fridge. All right, we almost got this tomato done. A couple more slices. Okay, so tomatoes done. Next, take your avocado. I'm sure you guys know this by now, but basically you just cut it, spin it around on the knife. Spin it, you get your half. I'm only gonna do a half of avocado in here. So that's the way I like to do it. I usually dice it like this. Run these kind of hash marks on it. Like so. And then, I mean you can take a spoon, but I usually just take it and I squeeze it and all the chunks fall out. And I just kind of disperse it over my salad so that it all gets mixed in. So there's that. I'll put that off to the side. Okay, now let's go to the salad dressing, guys. So basically what I like to use is avocado oil. So this is basically organic, non-GMO. So I basically just take this. I mean, you can be specific, but I just do a few passes over top. That's about it. Then I take my balsamic vinegar, but you guys can use any kind of vinegar. This is just the one that I happen to like. Again, I just do a few passes around, cap that off. Next ingredient is Himalayan salt. So I'll take this and I'll basically just spin it a few times on the top just to give it some flavor. And then I came to the hummus. So this is an optional thing. This is something I started doing just recently. So basically I'll throw this in my salad. I'll kind of put a few spoonfuls in it just to give it a bit of texture and a bit of flavor. Again, not essential, but yeah, so maybe like, I don't know, I want to say 3 or 4 tablespoons I usually put in there. So there's that. And then this comes back roundhouse to the reason why I put it in a Tupperware. So because I'm making my own salad dressing, basically it's in the Tupperware. I like to have all my dressing on my salad dispersed nicely. So I'll put it in the Tupperware. I'll hold the lid and I'll shake it like this. And that's basically it. So then I open the lid and my salad dressing is all evenly spaced out. It's all evenly mixed. Every piece of lettuce and item in there that I have all has dressing on it, and this tastes awesome. So let me know what you guys think. Try it out, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I eat on a daily basis, and we'll go from there and do a bunch of other cool stuff too. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and take care.